Hello, in this video we're going to use some sodium bicarbonate or baking soda to see if we can clean up the resin on these router bits. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of carbon and resin, and what this does is it builds up on the blade and makes it less efficient. Now, for any router bits that have bearings on it like this, you want to take that off before you put it into any solution. Reason being is bearings don't like water. So the best way to ensure that I get everything put back together again like it came out of the factory is to simply take my phone and take a photo of it. So all we need is some hot water. So all I'm going to do is place these in here. Put in the hot water. And then add the baking soda. As you can see, there's already some carbon lifting in the solution. Okay, so let's see what we got here. And definitely carbon there. So, okay. After it's dried, spray with some penetrating oil for protection. So here's a finished product with a little bit of baking soda and some hot water. You can have some clean and efficient blades again. Okay, thank you so much and take care.